Hi everybody, it's Neil. I'm always in some new place, and today I'm in my camper, and today we're taking a look at this air purifier. This is my private air purifier, and this would be probably a perfect place for it because this kind of stinks. It's been musty and stuff. I'm running a dehumidifier currently in here, trying to make it a little bit more comfy. But you can see here we've got different settings for it here. The pin, unlock mark, I guess for pivoting and taking out the filter. I guess it can connect with a 12 volt, and got the air vents and all that stuff. So let's take a look at this and see how it is. See if I can open it. So here's the user guide for it, which is pretty simple. Not much to it. We're going to try to figure it out without it. And then here is the power adapter. Some foam packing. And this is, here's the unit. So that's what it looks like. Oh, put it right there. See, I think I got everything. Yep, everything else is out of the box. So don't get the box here, and let's give this thing a try. So we have I have one port left open down there for a plug port. So I'm guessing this here is going to go out. So here we go. So let me go plug this in. Okay, so here we go. Let's give this thing a try. Plugs in back there. You can kind of see it on the back. And we are plugged in. And I see that, it's actually on right now. So there's some lights on there, and there's the different settings. Let me see what the different settings mean. Let's see. It talks about replace. Okay, so this one here, the first button over here is the, let me aim it a little bit over there. Okay, the first button here is the speed. So there, that's, I guess, low, medium, and high. Okay. And then we have the power button, which is this one. Off now. And there, it's on. This here stops the oscillating, so it doesn't rotate anymore. I don't know what ANION is, anion. But that's this button here. I don't know what anion means. AN, you can see it right here. It kind of explains what it is. It's ANION. It says press to turn anion on and off. And then there's a timer, so I can set it for like 2 hours to just go on for 2 hours, or 4 hours, or 8 hours, or I'm guessing it just stays on constantly, which I have it set for now. So that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much the basics of it. Let me see. You can smell it there. Let's just see how to do the filter now, so I know if I turn it off. Then to do the filter, it's got right there, so it rotates that way, and then it unplugs from there. I'm guessing that's that. So this, that's just where it's blowing the air from, and then here's the filter. So we can just clean or replace the filter as we need to. Definitely clean now. I don't know if you can see from the light, but it's just totally see-through. And so there we go. And I'm guessing the anion must be some sort of ozone thing. Who knows? And then we'll put this back on again. And there, it's on. Oh, did I plug it back in again? I don't know. I didn't. There, it's plugged in again. There we go. Now it's on. So I'm not sure what plugging in the top section does. Just as air outlet. Maybe it just helps the speed because it was blowing without it. I don't know. It's pretty cool. The air smells fresh coming out of it. Fresh, nice and filtered air. So I'm going to leave this thing running tonight, and we'll see how it does. But so far I like it. I mean, I'm going to give this thing a thumbs up. It's doing what it says. I mean, I can turn it on pretty high here. And so I'm going to leave it running for tonight. Turn it off for right now just so it's not making noise. But I like it. Thumbs up for me. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you want to get one of these, I'm going to put a link to it in the description down below, so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. And it looks like it has a 12-month warranty for non-human damage. So if you go throw it across the room, they're not going to warranty it. But it seems pretty good to me. Thumbs up. I like it. And hopefully I'm going to have some nice fresh air in the morning when I wake up. I'll update the comments, maybe put a comment in there and let you know how nice and fresh it smells in here instead of being musty. And that's it. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.